IELTS Speaking Part 3. Are buildings nowadays the same as buildings 100 years ago? Well, definitely there are a huge difference between 100 years ago and nowadays building. But I suppose most incredible thing is nowadays buildings are skyscraper, eco-friendly, futuristic building, striking building almost everywhere, every big city in the world. Basically, high-rise building is it have been built for living and workplace and recreation purpose. But in 100 years ago, it was mosaic type, artistic, ugly design building. It was made by it was made by bricks. On top of that, the, the second key distinction would be the, the modern technology has been implemented to build this skyscraper building, to build this high-rise building, and which makes it more appealing.